make it scratch. A shooting game. Shooting game. Where the player will the one enemies you have to shoot. But when you touch the enemy, you damage to the zombies. It's which is that means all the zombies got killed. Starving them. So first delete the cat. Choose a sprite. I'm gonna make a sprite. I'll name it player. Convert to bitmap and choose any color of your ground you want. Okay, you can make it a snow ground. You can make the ground look like snow. You can make the ground snow. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Convert to bitmap. Convert to that. Delete this. Now make a player. I'm gonna make this floor snow. And I'm gonna make white. Now draw a player. Make this like a big circle. And let's make a gun. Okay. Now we got our gun. Now we need to make this smaller because he's huge. What about 30? Okay, that looks good. Okay, go to the codes and drag when green flag clicked. Go to X and Y, put this to 0 so it will be at the center. And then put in forever. Just point in direction 90. I'm going to add if then. Use touching. I'm going to use key, up arrow press, then change Y by 4. Right click and duplicate. I'm going to make a down arrow, put to -4. Make another duplicate. Right and left. Right click and duplicate and use change X. And let's test it out. Now we got a working player. But I want this gun to make a little bigger so that he can shoot. Okay, that looks really good. Now we got our working movement. But I wanted the player to shoot when the key space is pressed. So we need a shooting. Make a projectile. I'll name it projectile. So I'll make it yellow. Okay, now we got our bullet. Okay, I'll make it in really smaller. Okay, now we got our bullet. Oh my gosh, that's too tiny. Well, let's have it. Okay, that looks better. Go to codes and drag when green flag click. Forever. Hide. Then use go to player. And just use when I start as a clone. Then show. Point in direction 90. Put in forever. Move 7 steps. Use if then. And I'll put the bullet precision over there. And I'm going to use greater than X position over there and put it to. Okay, now delete the clone. So use when green flag and our make a new block. Make a new block called. Wait, not the block. Use one green flag, click forever. Make a new block. Make a new block called shoot. And press OK. Put the shoot in there. Now go to define shoot and use if then and use key space press, then create clone of projectile and then wait maybe to 0.2. Now let's test it out. Now we got working projectile. Wait, I'll make this big. Okay, we got a projectile. So we need to go to backlight so it comes out of the gun. Okay, that works. Okay, on the net, make an enemy. I'll name it zombie. And I'm going to copy and paste this. And I'm going to make a zombie. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to use, wait. I'm going to use copy and paste. I'll put this upwards. Now we got our zombie. Now I'm going to make it green so it looks like a zombie. Okay, I'm going to make it 30. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Okay, so I'll put the zombie over here. Put in when green flag clicked. Hide. Then use forever. Just wait. You onto the operator, just drag pick random 0.121 seconds. You can choose any number, low number, and you can make a big number, anything. You can choose anything you want. Then create clone of myself. Is when I start as a clone, then show. Now I'm going to make it -90. What happens on the but go on the forever, put in 4 steps, and then put if then onto the if then, just use touching projectile, then delete the clone. Right click and duplicate. Wait. Right click and duplicate. Okay. Wait. The zombie needs to be over here. Which one is the real zombie? Okay. So go to X and Y's. Now I'm going to go to random position and use set X to 144. Wait, it's not working. Okay, I'll put this over here. Okay. Okay, let's check if that works. Okay. Okay, now we got a working spawner of zombies. Now we got a working shooter. But if it touches the edge, then I wanted to delete the clone. Now we got a working zombie apocalypse. So you can shoot at the zombies, but I wanted to create this health. Okay. But we also need a song. But this going to happen on the next episode. So see you on the next episode. And bye.